Ladies and gentlemen, Whitley Green. Hi guys, welcome back. Stay away from this stuff. Stay away from it. It's a reason why it costs $6.99. And as you can see, here are the results. I'm not condemning the company, but cheap seed only produces more weed. It's probably a good company, but that's an annual seed. And a year or so later, this is what your lawn will look like. Okay, so buy stuff that's high quality. That way your yard won't look like this. Nothing but weeds at this point. So I have to do something about it, which means I have to spend more money and put in more work. That's okay. All right. Got the marble chips up and they're in buckets over there. Let's start by scalping. Got the Power Smart out. So I got it set to the lowest setting. That's what it means to scalp. Cut it down as low as you possibly can. That way you can do whatever it is you need to do. But this is like the first phase complete. So what I'll do now is take my rake, my trupper. Love this thing, got it from menards. I'll take my rake and get this bad stuff up. Just clean it up, open it up, and go from there. I rake it in sections. That way it doesn't seem like I have a whole lot to do. It's better that way. Don't want to feel so overwhelmed out here. So now it's time to pull up the edges. Got my hammer on standby. I usually have my tools on standby. You guys know that. So I'll just pull the edges up and go from there. Why the hammer? Don't forget, I put landscape fabric down and use fabric pins to hold the landscape fabric. So now I'm just trying to find them, and using a hammer is a good way to do that. Ready to pick this stuff up. You know I got the long bags out from Menards. That's done. Looks a whole lot better, but we have a long way to go. If you don't have a tiller or a side remover, my advice, wet your lawn a day before you do your work. You can even do it the day of, but make sure it's wet. It'll make things a whole lot easier. Looks ready. Looks damp, wet even. That's a good sign. I think we can start our project. Looks good. And of course the perennials got some much needed water. Yeah, guys, I think we can begin. I'll use the garden weasel first. It'll loosen up the soil. Big difference between a tiller and a garden weasel. I can start shoveling now. Using this shovel, you get what you pay for or what you don't pay for. There's nothing I wouldn't do for a side remover, tiller, and tamper right now. Good exercise, but this isn't the time to do this, especially not in July. You know, it's hot, muggy, and tempers flare, if you know what I mean. Again, the best time to do this type of work is in March or April. I'm starting to feel it, guys, and I'm starting to slow down just a bit. If you're expecting certain results, this is the process, and you have to appreciate this part of it. You know the old saying, though, work smart, not hard. Took a little break, no point in me killing myself. I'm at Home Depot, needed some weed be gone. I'm back, got something to eat, something to drink. I feel a lot better. You know, I go to Home Depot on purpose sometimes just to have an excuse to go to the hot dog stand. Shouldn't be eating them, but I can't be out here on an empty stomach. All right, let's see what we got going on. Whole lot, but we'll get to the goal. However, won't be reaching that finish line today. This is 2018 all over again. Difference is I'm old now, guys. Not ashamed to admit it, but I still got a lot left in the tank. I'll get this done one way or the other. You know the motto. Take care of your families. Take care of your bodies. Take care of your lawns too. Bye.